The first time I saw Power BI, I thought it was just another complicated software for tech experts. You know the type, people who speak SQL and DAX who look like they belong in dark rooms full of data. To be honest, I didn't even know what DAX was. I was just a freelancer who knew Excel and wanted to impress my clients with nice visuals. But one day a client asked me, "Can you make the sales data look more interactive?" And I thought, why not? So that night I opened Power BI and to my surprise, it looked a lot like Excel. Importing data was just like Excel. Dragging visuals was just like PowerPoint. And within an hour I had built a dashboard with filters, slicers, and clean charts. No coding, no panic, just smart clicks. The client loved it, and that one dashboard got me a $100 bonus. More importantly, it opened a new door. I realized Power BI isn't just for tech people. It's for anyone who wants to solve problems with data. If you know how to organize data and want to present it beautifully, Power BI is your best friend. You don't need to be a rocket scientist or have a computer science degree. All you need is curiosity, basic data, and the courage to click start. Now I help small businesses, agencies, and even influencers build dashboards they never thought they could make. Some want inventory visuals, some want website traffic trends, some want to predict customer churn. And I give them all that without writing a single line of code. If you're good at Excel, you can absolutely learn Power BI. What you need is a good game plan. First, start with the basics. Learn how to import data, shape it, add calculations, create visuals, and tell a story with your dashboard. There are tons of free resources online, including videos, blogs, and interactive tutorials. I recommend taking a course called Getting Started with Power BI on a learning platform. It's free and covers all the basics. Next, practice, and practice some more. Try different data sets and build different types of dashboards. You can find sample data on a website. Then build, and build some more. Try to make something unique or add new features to existing dashboards. This will help you build your portfolio and showcase your skills to potential clients. Finally, don't be afraid to ask for help. Join online communities. Attend meetups and connect with other Power BI enthusiasts. There are also several certification exams to test your knowledge and show potential clients that you're serious about Power BI. Remember, it's not about being a tech expert. It's about solving problems with data with a little practice. You'll be well on your way to creating amazing Power BI dashboards and making data come alive.